Hello everyone! Tree cutting and processing is a complex task that requires high-level expertise and powerful machinery. Even with all the right tools though, things don't always go as planned. Today, we'll take a closer look at this challenging process. Let's get it on.
Watch out! Back him up! Back him up! No, 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 no! Woo! That's it. Back him up! Back him up! Yeah!
Amen. Ouais, je pense.
Ah, si qu'on était ma marde au cul, man! Check! La poignée a cassé.
Perfect!
What's the tension on it? Holy crap.
No matter how powerful your truck is, don't overestimate its capabilities or your own driving skills. Sometimes this leads to failures like these. So, they brought the tools, trimmed the branches. Looks like the guys nailed the prep work.
Whoa! Oops.
Still, the homeowners will never call them again.
Wow! Look at that house. Thanks, without you.
What drink? Ah ouais.
For every logger, it's the most satisfying domino effect. An important lesson is never to rely on luck in such a dangerous job. Safety is key in this type of work. It's a shame no one told him about that.
Oh my god. Gee.
It takes at least 2 people to lift such a saw. However, you won't have to hold it for more than 5 seconds. It will do the job in that time. This lucky guy gets to play a huge claw machine every day. The inventors of this brutal machine weren't lying when they chose the motto, "All the cargo in one go." With the help of a helicopter, this massive saw can complete a task in just a few minutes. Something that would take a lumberjack several hours with a regular saw. The crucial factor is the pilot's skill. This forest giant weighs a whopping 9 tons. No wonder it took a huge team and heavy machinery to take it down. Too bad all their efforts couldn't prevent the failure. In the past, cutting down a tree and stripping off its branches required a lot of effort, but that was before this amazing machine came along. It turns a tree into a perfectly smooth log before you know it. Meet the mulcher. This nifty excavator attachment turns your machine into a giant electric razor, instantly stripping trees of any unnecessary growth. Even the toughest branches don't stand a chance. It's about time arborists were recognized as superheroes. Who else would be willing to take such a risk to cut down the top of a tree that poses a threat to people's safety?
Three.
Do you think he's in a hopeless situation now? Take a closer look. The guys have come up with a new method of tree cutting.
3, 2, 1, fire!
Sure, it's louder and riskier, but it's 100 times more fun than before. That's how he learns that a regular car can't handle trees. No matter how much horsepower the truck has under the hood, these trunks play by their own rules, and looks like they're winning. You'd expect incredible power from a machine like this, but in this contest it lost to a few trees. Not even the tallest trees can hide from this saw. Plus, it rotates 360 degrees, making the job much faster and easier.
Keep going! Just go all the way with it! Keep going! Faster! Go!
Cutting down a tree in a way that it manages to hit everything on its way down. That takes some real skill.
No!
I wonder if the tree had a chance to fall in the right direction.
Here it goes, and it's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh. Well, I don't think
the good news is that he now has the wood to repair the roof.
We just took out half the house. Well.
For a monster like that, this road feels like just any ordinary highway. In a situation like that, it's crucial to stay focused and make quick decisions. Well done, pal. You can totally see why he chose this job, given how mesmerizing it must look from the driver's seat. This root system just wouldn't let go of the ground. Check out this simple yet brilliant way of clearing land of vegetation. All you need are a couple of bulldozers and a heavy chain. As you can see, the method works perfectly. Cutting down a tree is only half the job. Beneath the surface, a maze of roots still remains. That's where the ripper comes in. Check out how effortlessly it pulls all that extra stuff out of the ground. What's most rewarding about being a lumberjack is witnessing the flawless outcome of your hard labor and precise planning. I won't lie, this is the hardest working horse I've ever seen, though it looks like it's been doing this its whole life.
Not much skill.
Cypress wood is considered one of the toughest in the world. Just imagine all the things that could be made from this log. From a rough-barked tree trunk to a smooth log surface. If I were one of the workers, I'd probably spend half the day just staring at that machine. The universe decided to play along with this guy, turning his work into a truly epic and spectacular process. An engineer's mind is about finding ways to avoid spending on costly gadgets. This pal assembled a sawmill in his garage from whatever materials were available, and the outcome is so impressive that you'd think it was factory made. Welcome to the Lumberjack Championship, where strength, courage, and skill are the key to success. The rules are strict here, and any mistake could lead to disqualification. If I were one of the participants, I'd be handing out business cards right on the spot. The workers are all grateful to those who invented this large claw, as it helps load logs and saves a great deal of time. Check out what teamwork can do. The key is to have at least one professional on the team, unlike them. Every worker who's ever had to chop wood with an axe looks at this machine with a wistful gaze. For a skilled professional, even a regular excavator can be a great tool for transporting heavy logs.
Dari bukit sampai ke landing. Apakah dia hanya bawa satu? Dia gendong satu picis. Kita lihat. Nah, ternyata di ekornya ada ini. Wah, luar biasa ini. Hei. Lihat ya, dia gendong ini. Bukan main. Rumelki. Wah, keren. Berapa biji sini, coy? Kita lihat. Wah, keren nih. Eskavator champion. 3 picis, bro. Ekornya 3 picis. Tambah 1 di depan. 4 picis sekali tarik. Bukan main. Mana traktor bisa seperti ini? Wah, hebat memang.